Hi, I just thought I'd show you my fun new toy. We got this for all Dan's siblings for Christmas because I found it, and well, my daughter found it and she hit me to it, and I fell in love with it because I chop things in seconds now. This is a quarter of an onion. I'm going to show you how it works. It's awesome. Now I want you to look at this.
Whoa.
This is a perfectly chopped onion. Perfect pieces. I make a big bowl of pico whenever we do Mexican, and it used to take me forever because I would chop everything. Now I'm just like, we had a big garden this year, and I won't talk while I'm chopping. And I chopped the whole year's worth of peppers. I just, whatever I couldn't use or roast and freeze, I chopped them all up and I stuck them in the freezer. It'll even do tomatoes. So I'm just going to core this real quick and cut it in half. And I'm going to show you how beautiful it will do tomatoes.
She loves it so much, we got it for my siblings for a Christmas gift because she was like, everyone needs to have this.
Couldn't think, we're at that stage in life where you're like, can't think of anything they don't already have if they want it,
And she was like, I use the heck out of this. I actually used it for the first time on Christmas morning to make omelets for everybody, for the toppings, And I was like, oh my gosh, this is the best. I couldn't believe it would do tomatoes. Go ahead, show us how it does.
There you go.
Oh, man.
Perfect little tomatoes.
Let's see.
Perfect.
Wow. You know how long it takes me to do the tomatoes? And that was literally 3 seconds. Awesome.
Anyway, anything that can help make our lives easier, I feel like we should pass them along. And
Yeah,
this
right?
has done it.
Do one more tomato. Let's see it. Whoa!
Perfect.
Oh my gosh. Look at that. Beautiful. Thanks for showing us, sweetie.
You're welcome. See you later.